Alright guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about linked stack. For that we need node class and then one linked class. Okay, so let's start working with the node first. Okay, we need one data to insert and then node successor as usual. Then after, let's create the node constructor. Inside constructor we need a string parameter data type. Then after, so this data which belongs to the object that points to data that comes from the user, and this node is already null, so we are not going to work on that. Now let's create one head method to check is the stack empty or not. Okay, so is empty. Okay, the head equals to const null is going to return true, which is the empty, and if it is not, then false. Okay, so once we have this one, let's create another method. Let's say push, void push, and what do you want to push inside the data itself? Okay, say string data. So let's create one node here, node insertion, new node, and then let's pass that data from the user. If is empty, okay, which is up there, then job is done. If that is not the case, okay, if head is not null, then insertion dot successor equals head, and that head should point to insertion once again, which is the first head. Okay, push method is ready. Now let's do pop method. Okay, void pop. It doesn't need any parameter. For pop, head equals head dot successor. This head is going to be passed to another node. So now let's start calling this method. Instantiate stack linked new stack linked. Now let's call sl dot push first. Okay, so let's do different way. Plate 1. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this one and then I'm going to create another plate 5. Okay, then after we need one print method. Okay, so void, so print stack. Okay, what you need one current node that points to head. Okay, then we need to run while loop, current not null. That means that current this head which is not null, then after current equals current dot successor. Right, now when that is the case, then do what? Sys out, then after you need to print current dot data. Whatever data that current points should be printed. Okay, now let's call that print here as l dot print stack. Now you will see the printing. Okay, plate 1, plate 2, 3, 4, and 5. All the plates is being stacked. Okay, from 1 to 5. Now let's pop out once. Okay, pop up. Okay, this is before pop now. Okay, you can see that. So here, so sl dot pop. Okay, so after pop. Okay, so now here I'm going to type after pop, and then I'm going to call the pop. So after pop again I have to call what? Print stack. Let me run it. Okay, so this is before pop up to here. So 1 to 5 is already there, and then after pop, so we have 1, 2, 3, and plate 4. Top one is already popped out. This is the structure of a stack using linked list. We have one empty method, that's all is going to work, and then one push method, and then one pop method. Okay, print stack is the one that is printing the stack. You can do other way around also. You can make method also. Okay, so all right, so hopefully this is going to be clear. Thank you.